Willie.
Greetings, Richard. How you doing?
Hey, Richard. Steve.
Yep.
How you doing, good sir?
There it is, eh?
Yes, yes. I got another video camera going for like YouTube or something, but yeah, this is your engine.
Is this the moment of truth?
It is. It is. We've done our best to get everything right. It's been a wonderful experience. Steve and I will tell you all about it. Or Steve can tell you all about it. Anything he wants to say?
Somebody can tell somebody about it.
Well, we got your Mikunis already all spiffed up and clean.
Makuni carbs, nice.
Yep.
So this is the very first start here we're having?
Yep. We're gonna crank it up, and we got everything dialed in, everything adjusted.
Yeah, we pre-filled the carburetors. We pre-primed the oil system to make sure that we'd have oil so it wouldn't start dry. And we've got water in it. And
got the loose cap just in case it burps air if need be. We've got our engine analyzer here for checking idle, and we've got our synchrometer here for carburetor adjustment. Let's see what else we got. We got a temporary break-in oil filter in here, and that's why we got a note on here. So we're gonna switch out put a paper element in there after we get it broken in and dialed in.
All right, so here it goes. That way you didn't push a button somewhere?
Yeah.
Yep, that's the plan.
Here's the control panel here.
All right.
Switch these on, then there's our buttons. So
Well, we got engine's cold.
now wait a minute. Now before they do that, that's why you have the fuel system on these things is something you need to pay attention to, and that's why there's a priming lever here on your fuel pump. You see me priming this thing?
Yeah.
Okay. Exactly. So you'll if it as it sits a couple of weeks minimum, maybe 3 weeks, you need to come out and do this, and you have to make sure that the this thing actuates and pumps fuel up into your carburetors, and that's one of the first. It's on all the cars of the 50s. They all had priming levers if they had carburetors. So that's one of the first things you do.
All right.
And then
We ready to give it a go?
let's give it a shot. Here we got this. Here's our choke up here. Do we need to choke it? It was pretty warm. We may not need to choke it. I'll just leave that alone. We'll see. enough?
Turn it off so we can hear and talk.
Whew.
Wow, so it sounds good. Is it all just doing what it's supposed to do?
Yes, sir.
Good
Yep.
job.
Yep.
Their motor's brand new there.
Yes, it is. Yeah, yeah. And I'm videotaping on this one here so that you'll be able to put that on the YouTube and everything, so that you can and have it for your records. Yes, everything's brand new. All the bearings, connecting rod bushings, the pistons, all the valves. I mean,
Rings, seals, everything.
brand new. All we kept was the block, the crankshaft, the connecting rods, and, and everything else is new practically.
Yeah.
Camshaft is,
Oh, that's great.
yeah. So our next step is to
Finish breaking it in, get it in the car, and start driving it, right?
yeah. I mean, I'm quite literally the next step is to double check everything and then remove it from here and put it into the vehicle.
All right, and then we'll be. You think we should get it on VAT, say for December?
December?
September, October. No, wait, this is.
We're September. October, November, December, January, 3 months?
We should be able to do
Be able
that.
to do that 3 months.
Yeah, we should be able to do that. Yeah, tell them to get ready and put you in, get you a slot.
All right. All right. Well, I'll be coming up to Dallas soon. So
Good.
when do you think it'll actually be in the car?
By next week.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah.
Right. I mean, that's the easy part. It takes, I don't know, easy, it takes an hour or two to put an engine in, but it takes forever, days and weeks to hook everything up.
Right.
That's, the actual installation of the engine is very minor. It's all the
Connecting and tuning and final and fitting and everything that takes time.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. Anyway,
Okay.
so we're golden.